Oftentimes we go into wanting to change behavior for a child and we focus on just that, the behavior. I've got to change this behavior. How do we change this behavior? How do we make this behavior go away? How do we replace it with a different behavior? Instead of focusing on, I'm going to change the behavior, start thinking about it this way. What is behind the behavior? What's driving it? So if it is a academic type of struggle for the child, or it's a social emotional struggle for the child, try to pinpoint what's driving it and focusing on that. So now when you look at the child, you can say, do I want to change the behavior, or do I want to intervene, provide intervention on the skill that drives the behavior? So that one actually sits a little bit nicer with me because I don't feel as frustrated. I feel like as a teacher, I can get in there and do intervention on the reason behind the behavior and not just focus on, gosh, I got to change this behavior.